Tell me what you see in me.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. So today I'm doing a shoe haul. So we're gonna do like a heel haul or shoe haul or whatever you want to call it. So let's hop right into this video. So this is the first box. I'm so ghetto, I have to use a pencil right now. I don't have a box cutter. In the future though. And these are from Amazon, by the way. I never got any shoes from Amazon before, but I wanted to try some easy sandals out. Y'all know it's summertime, so I wanted to get some cute sandals that I can throw on with the cute fit. Y'all know how I do. Okay, these are cute. Steve Madden. If y'all didn't know, I wear a 9.5. So these are gonna be so cute. I love brown sandals. I needed some that was easy and can go with everything, basically. So it's like gold. It's cute. I'm gonna definitely wear these. Sheesh, this package is number 2. This is my second package. This one is so heavy. I'm like, what is in here? Let's see. This tape is so strong, I don't even think my pencil gonna be able to break through this. I ended up having to use my Leo pen. All right, so I was finally able to get that package open. And let's start going through these little cute little shoes or whatever. So starting with these, let me open them up so y'all can see better. These are cute. I love this color. And by the way, this stuff is from Shein. I love these sandals. Like, I love how it's square toe. This I got in a size 40. But that's basically a 9 or a 9.5 in European size. Yeah, so these check. Like, check, and extra check. I love this color. Okay, these are cute. Yes, I love this material. Like that, and that's cute. I like that. I like that a lot. And these I got in 40 as well. As you can see, these are cute. Easy staple shoes. This check for sure. Easy throw on shoes, and are cute. And the heel is not too big. This is the heel. It's the heel. Okay. These are the next pair. Ooh, hold on now. Okay, this color is it. These are similar to the last shoes with the the material, but look at the color. Like, I just love vibrant colors. Like, even if you look on my Instagram, you see I just love pop of colors, like cute colors. And this is definitely up my alley with the square toe. It's like giving class. These are taller than the other ones. Let me show you. Okay. This is just a comparison for y'all. I got this in a 40. Yep. So that's perfect. Okay. That's what it looks like when I first open it up. Okay. These are so cute. Taking that out for the first time. I am in love with these. These are probably my favorite. Comment below which one is your favorite, like which pair of heels is your favorite. This is kind of like a heel haul, but I also wanted to show y'all the cute little sandals that I got too. But like, what? Okay. So this is what it looks like up close. The heel is see-through. Can y'all see me? It's giving class. It's giving everything that it needs to give. And once again, I got all of this stuff for my birthday. I'm really saving up right now. I didn't even want to really spend OD. So I just got some cute stuff that I thought would just be good for me to get. Like, I've been working hard, so it's good to work hard but play harder for sure. The next pair. Let's see what they're talking about. So these are cute. Once again, similar shoe, but this has a different heel. And it's such a cute color, and this like part is different as well. So it's thick right here and like kind of skinny-ish thick right here. So it's different from the other ones. Although they look kind of similar, they are actually different. And yes, oh, and this part is cotton and fabric too. Has fabric right here on the toe part, but then this part is different. Like, it's just the details for me. And this size, what size I get these in? This is in a size 9. Goes with anything, of course. I just love nude colors. Okay, so this is the last and final package. Let's see what's in here. like it's heavy. I don't know where my pen went. I done lost my pen that quick. Let me get this open real quick. This one isn't as bad. This one definitely isn't as bad as the other one. I just want to start off by saying shout out to my sister for these shoes right here. She literally sent them to me. Who has a better sister than me? Like, I'll literally wait. Oh, okay. No answer. Like, literally, shout out to my sister Key. I love you. Shout out to you. Thank you for these shoes. She's so sweet. She sent these. This girl lives all the way in Oklahoma. Like, why is she sending me shoes? Because she's sweet. But yes, these are the Uggs. And there are actually 2 pairs. These are cute. Cute, 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 cute. Says Ugg. I like that material. It's like soft and like, you know, silky. I definitely love these. 100%. What size did she get in these? This is a 9, US 9. But yeah, y'all, I'm really messing with these. I like how thick the bottom is and everything. Like, this would be so cute. So far, I love literally everything. I have one more pair to show y'all. But I feel so prepared for summer. Like, this summer is my summer. And these are the final pair here. And if y'all haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, I don't know why. And this one fell out the other one. This the Ugg. This little card fell out. What are we talking about? Yes! I've been wanting these for a very long time. Like, not that these are all the way summer, because they're not necessarily summer, but y'all get the gist. Like, I'm gonna wear these in the summer, fall, winter, summer, spring, winter, wherever, whenever, because like the toes are still out, so it's still trying to pick a side. I don't know which side I want to be on, whether I want to be on the hot side or the cold side, but either way, I'm gonna be rocking these definitely 100%. Like, and this is a 9. Shoot, this some lamb fur, real fur from lamb. I didn't try to kill no lamb for this, but I definitely love this. But yes, y'all, this is the end of the video. I hope that y'all like all these shoes that I got. Let me know which one is y'all favorites. I personally loved the brown ones with the clear. I love those Uggs, the black ones and the furry ones, and all the heels, and of course the sandals. Of course, I love the sandals too. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of the haul. I hope that y'all like this heel haul or summer haul. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. Y'all just gonna have to see whenever this comes out on the streets and everything, when it drop, when it air, when it do, or what it do. So definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I love y'all, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.